Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to add any social media link on your YouTube channel from PC and laptop. So you can see I'm using Google Chrome. You can use any browser you want, and then go to youtube.com, and after that click here profile icon right top corner on your screen. Simply click on that. Once you click on that, then you can see view your channel. Okay, simply click on that, and after that click here customize channel. Simply click on that, and after that you can see basic info. Okay, simply click on that and scroll down a little bit. Then here you'll see the option links. Share external links with your viewers. They will be visible on your channel profile and about page. So you can simply click here add link. You can add any link, any kind of link, like your website link, your e-commerce site link, your shopping link, or your social media. So just title, so what it can be, like Facebook. Okay, and you have to give the URL here. So I'm just going to my Facebook, and I'm just going to copy the Facebook link. So I'm just copy it here, and after that go to channel customization and paste it here. Okay, and after that you can add multiple add link. If you want to add more, then click add link. Then you can add, like, you can add Instagram, WhatsApp, any kind of things. After that simply click published. Okay, so then go to channel, then you will see how it looks like. So here you can see, uh, if you check here, wait a second, and go to here, hello everyone, and here you can see Facebook. Okay, so profile, it's link. If you click here, or if someone click, then they will go to your following link. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. So today's no more, and thank you for watching.